Alright, so when I was in here the other day changing my intake, I happened to notice a power steering fluid reservoir. That's coffee. That's not what that's supposed to look like. So I'm gonna do a flush on it, get all this old stuff out, put new stuff in, and what I'm looking for in here is if there's any particles and bits floating in this, it means my hoses are breaking down from the inside. So it's gonna kind of be like an inspection as well. So it's a hydraulic fluid. Makes it a whole lot easier to turn your steering instead of getting an arm workout. Yeah, after 14 years, that's what it breaks down into. And it's supposed to be red. After 14 years, that's what mine looks like. That's what it should look like. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull the return line, put fresh fluid in here, and use the fresh fluid to push all the dirty garbage fluid out the return line and into a separate container while the trees throw stuff at me. You don't really need much for this. Plenty of the correct fluid. For me, it's Dexron 3 ATF. Really whatever your owner's manual calls for. Empty container to catch the bad stuff. Drain pan and jack stands for down below. Maybe pliers and a screwdriver for hose clamps. So let's get this thing jacked up. Alright, so we'll pull the return line. Alright, so I've got the return line pulled. I've got this hose just to keep it from draining out everywhere. So I've got my return line going to the bottle. We'll top off the reservoir with clean fluid. Perfect pour. All you do, lock to lock. Turn it, it spits out old fluid. Look at that, that's gross. Sucks in new fluid. Any air that got in the system, you'll work it out by turning the wheel. That's what you want, nice clean fluid in there, nice and red. I know it's kind of hard to see here. I made a huge mess. My container fell off. So, if you've neglected your car or truck for a long time and now you're panic fixing things, welcome home. Go ahead and subscribe. You can see me panic fix more stuff. Alright, so I filtered out the fluid and there's no particles, which is good news. That means that my hoses aren't breaking down. There's just old, tired fluid. So the power steering fluid's fixed. That's good. Yay. Also, hot. Very hot. But my check engine light came back today. Perfect. Love it. So we're going to be chasing that down again. Same one, P0456. So make sure you're subscribed so you can watch me continue to chase that one down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.